And I wouldn't typically put like a big blob of ketchup into his mouth because it's going to be like a shock. He's just gone from like a sweet fruit to, and I wouldn't want someone to do that to me if they were feeding me, just suddenly go. So just do something like that, like give him a little taste first. Ready, Luca? Here comes something different. And just touch some on his lips and let him get used to that there's a change. And let him kind of taste it for a second.
What is that?
Ketchup. You taste that? What is that? Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And all those swallows. And then move to the spoon, but again, not like a spoonful. I just do like coating the spoon a little bit and let him get used to it. Ready, Luca? Some more ketchup. Oh, what's this taste? Wow. We have a winner. What do you think of that taste, Luca? That's a different taste, hey? Ketchup. Wow. Look at his mouth. Good boy, Luca. Is that yummy? Because you're all the swallows, yeah.